How to insert SIM cards on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to insert SIM cards, so need this pin, hold phone and pin insert here, and remove SIM tray. After remove SIM tray, so SIM 1 is, you will see, SIM 1 is insert here and SIM 2 is insert here. So after adjust SIMs, SIM trays again insert in phone. You will see. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.